So let's quickly talk about trademarks and patents. So as you can see on the screen, I've brought up Marvel. A trademark is basically a symbol or a logo or a set of words or a word that is legally registered, so nobody else is actually able to use them without the permission of the actual owner. So if you're selling products that are Marvel, for instance, or Marvel related, or Lego related, for instance, you want to stay away from that. Otherwise, you will be infringing upon their trademark. You are not allowed to do this, and Amazon will take you down and probably close your account for doing something like this. Now, some of the things you may be tempted with, just to give you an idea, is, for example, these socks. So I would stay away from anything like this that could infringe upon the trademark for Marvel. So all of these designs are probably trademarked in some shape or form by the company Marvel. So patents are usually some form of invention that somebody has put legal rights over. So with that invention, nobody is allowed to copy it, and it usually comes in the form of some sort of electronic device most of the time. But this can come in many different forms. And if you did want to check if the product that you're looking at does have any patents on it, you can go to Google Patents and just type it in the search and it will come up. However, patents can be quite complicated when you're trying to look at it. If you typed in gloves, for instance, there's so many different designs that are patented. However, my strongest advice would be to go to Fiverr. Now, this is the guy that I use to check patents when I need to. I use him all the time, and he does a great job at getting the information straight back over to me as quickly as possible. So I'll put this link in the description as well. I'll also put the link in the description for the Google Patents website. But the quickest and the best way to ensure that the product that you have is not infringing upon any patents, I would use this guy. So all you need to do is just use this one here, or any of the ones that he has. So he will check patent issues for Amazon listings. So he'll just check it for you, get it done for you really quickly, really cheap. Just use the basic option. That's all you need. Get in touch with him and he'll be able to sort that out for you super quick.